Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today's one is a bit of a funny one. It's featuring my Carrera Titan X, but maybe it's not going to be mine for long. I'm selling my bike. It's pretty much as it is when I bought it from the shop. I've ridden it for about 200 kilometers and there's absolutely nothing wrong with the bike whatsoever. So I'm just going to run over what the bike features and sort of why you should buy it, I guess. So on the front we've got some 130mm travel RockShox Recon front suspension forks with a Maxell axle through the double-lined aluminium wheel. It's 27.5 inch and as you can see it's mounted with a WTB Trail Boss tyre, which is a fantastic tyre. I've then put this little mud guard on, which is good. It helps stop stones and what have you fly up in your face when you're riding. These forks do feature compression, so when you're climbing you can lock them out, and when you're going downhill you can unlock them for full travel. The grips and brakes are as standard. They're Shimano hydraulic disc brakes, MT200s, and the stem is a 50mm with the 740mm flat bars. It's also got dropper post, which is super handy. It's amazing. Like, I've absolutely loved having a dropper post, something that I will definitely have on my next bike. The rear suspension again is RockShox Monocar. It's got also 130mm of travel at the wheel. That is 3 times what it is here. The way that rear suspension works, it's very typical. The group set and gears are the standard SRAM SX group set. It's 1x12 gearing. It's fantastic. I was a bit dubious about getting 1x12 when I first got the bike, but I have not been able to not get up any hill whatsoever. It's totally doable. I mean, it's more than enough range. So yeah, as you can see, the bike's in fantastic condition. Nothing needs doing on it. You can buy it and ride it straight away. These retail in Halfords for £850 at the moment, and although you can't actually get them, they're not available because they're sold out, and I'm selling this one for £750, so £100 cheaper than it is in Halfords, and it's available right now. I'm based in Christchurch, just near Bournemouth, and I'll be selling it cash on collection. So if you can come and collect it, bring cash. That's the best way. If you wanted, I could bring it to you, I could deliver it, but I would require a £100 deposit up front, non-refundable, and I would expect you to pay for the mileage. So this is my Carrera Titan X, guys, for sale. If you're interested, please email us, lindyvanner@gmail.com, yeah, you can come and get it and have a new bike, ride it away and take it on the trails straight away. Thanks very much, guys. Over and out.